Take command of the road in the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Come see us today and we'll help you drive away in your dream vehicle.